Is your crochet circle turning out wavy instead of flat? Don't worry. Just fix one small mistake, and you'll get a perfectly flat crochet circle every time. Now let's see what the mistake is. To show you the difference, I'm going to make a crochet circle. Here, I've made 15 half double crochets into a magic ring. We have completed 15 half double crochet. Now we will do a slip stitch into third chain. For the second round, make 2 half double crochets into each stitch. We completed round 2. Slip stitch into third chain. The third round is the most important. This is where most people make a mistake without even realizing it. One of the biggest mistakes is inserting your hook between the clusters. If you insert your hook between the clusters, your crochet circle won't lie flat. Let me explain. If you insert your hook into this space, you'll end up following the wrong pattern. This is your cluster, so you should never work a double crochet between the clusters. Instead, skip this space and make your next stitch in the correct stitch after the cluster. Let me show you. If I make a half double crochet in this space, it will be wrong. Instead, the half double crochet should be made here. And that's how you can correct this mistake and make a perfectly flat crochet circle. Subscribe for more crochet tips like this. Thanks for watching.